Apparently my YouTube series is on YouTube. TV show is on News Center 1 right now. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I'm just gonna relax until something happens. Like my Play-Doh collection? Yeah. Oh, hi feet. I'll get out of the way. Yeah, so. I don't want to hear myself talk. Yeah, so. Sign says we'll be right back. Why does it do this? Did it really interrupt my TV show on News Center 1? This is the second time I'm gonna catch this today. Whoa. My county. That was a huge fail.
How'd it happen?